My name is Trav Tacker, Product Manager for our parcel industry team. Today we want to demonstrate our newest small parcel sorter. This high-speed sorter conveys a variety of small items including flat and padded envelopes, poly bags, boxed packages, and more. It's a dual-sided conveyor offering up to 300 diverts, 150 each on the left and right-hand sides, making it a perfect parcel solution. Other features include breakaway shoe design, heavy-duty chain cover, and high-visibility channels. What really makes this sorter stand out is its high throughput and close divert centers. The sorter diverts products at 30-degree angles on 30-inch centers, a patent-pending design that can convey up to 12,000 packages per hour at an estimated speed of up to 415 feet per minute. Hytrol control software, ProLogix and ProLogix Plus, guides products and ensures the sortation system is functioning effectively and efficiently. Our branded plug-and-go wiring makes for simple and quick installation. For this demonstration, we will take you through a typical parcel conveying scenario from beginning to end. First, the Hytrol gapper ensures adequate spacing between the products. Next, an overhead scanner is used to determine the product's destination before it reaches the sorter. As you can see, once products flow onto the slats, the sorter's shoes gently and quickly move the item to its designated location. The movement of the shoes is smooth and precise. Our new breakaway shoe top design protects the sorter if a jam is present. The shoe tops are designed to break away from the shoe's base to protect the sorter from further damage. The tops are easily replaceable and will save you both downtime and future repair costs. We hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of our small parcel sorter. Please contact us if you have questions about any of our material handling solutions and learn more about us at hytrol.com.